Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with HubSpot content. To get started, head over to your HubSpot homepage and click on the gear icon to open your settings. Once you're inside the settings menu, look for the Tracking and Analytics section. You can scroll down to find it or simply use the search bar at the top and type Tracking. From the results, click on Tracking Code. Inside the Tracking Code section, HubSpot will provide you with a unique tracking code. Give it a moment to load, then copy this tracking code. Next, open a new browser tab and go to analytics.google.com to access your Google Analytics account. From there, choose the HubSpot domain you want Google Analytics to track. Follow the tagging instructions provided by Google Analytics and paste the tracking code where required. This will allow Google Analytics to start collecting data from your HubSpot content and verify that the data flow is working correctly. Once everything is set up, your HubSpot content will now be connected to Google Analytics for tracking and reporting. That's all there is for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.